Hello, this is Jessica. Today I received a Huawei Honor 8 SMS from fans, and the first is can't open the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Let me try together. Now let me open the mobile phone and see the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if can open. Now we can see the Wi-Fi can't open now. And let me check the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth also can't open. Now let me turn off the mobile phone and open the mobile phone and repair it. Now we can see the main board is no water damage, and now we can check the Wi-Fi IC has been repaired before. Now let me change the Wi-Fi IC and see if can no more working. We check the main board can see the this size disconnect. Now we just need to connect the line and install the IC, then can repair it. Okay, let me install the mobile phone and test it. Now let me check the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if can. No, now we can see the Wi-Fi is normal. And now check the Bluetooth. And can see the Bluetooth can normal open. Now let me install all the screws. Now the mobile phone has been repaired, and we can see the mobile phone back glass has rose color. And now let me make the back film for him. In fact, mobile phone repair is not difficult as long as you're more careful, and everything will become simple. I'm Jessica. Give me a light. I will show you more knowledge about the mobile phone repairs.